Do you want to play a game?
Yes, that sounds like fun.
Is there any sugar in this?
No, there's no sugar.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I am not allergic to anything.
Is this your final decision?
Yes, I've made up my mind.
Do you need a bag for that?
No, I don't need one, thank you.
Is this the latest model?
Yes, it's the most recent release.
Can we discuss this letter?
Yes, let's talk about it later.
Is it okay to park here?
Yes, you can park here.
Have you finished your homework?
Yes, I've completed it.
Is this the fastest route?
Yes, this is the quickest way.
Can we afford it?
Yes, it's within our budget.
When do you celebrate your birthday?
My birthday is on November 20th.
Have you been here before?
No, it's my first time.
Where is your favorite spot to read?
I enjoy reading in coffee shops.
Have you seen the weather outside?
It's been really cold lately.
What type of food do you enjoy eating?
I'm more into savory foods.
Can you tell me your height?
Sure, I'm a 5 feet 6 inches. How about you?
Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, feel free to sit.
How do you keep yourself busy on Monday morning?
I usually take a walk on Monday morning.
Have you ever tried cold brew coffee?
Yes, I love it, especially on hot days.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Are you interested in learning English?
Yes, I love learning English.
Do you remember this place?
Yes, I remember this place.
Do you play cricket?
Yes, I play cricket.
Do you go to school or college?
I go to college.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
What color is your house?
My house is painted white.
Is there a window in this room?
Yes, there is a window over there.
Can I open the window?
Yes, of course.
What do you do the morning?
I usually wake up, eat breakfast, and get ready for the day.
Do you cook dinner at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking dinner most nights.
Do you watch TV in the evenings?
Sometimes, but I also like to read.
How often do you vacuum?
I vacuum the carpets once a week.
Can I wash the dishes after dinner?
Yes, that would be a big help.
By what time did you leave home?
I left home at 8 a.m.
What did you order?
I ordered a salad.
Did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, it was delicious.
What did you do after lunch?
We walked around the park.
Did you play any games?
No, we just talked and relaxed.
What time did you go home?
We went home around 5 p.m.
Did you cook dinner?
No, I ordered takeout.
What time did you go to sleep?
I went to sleep at 10 p.m.
Did you watch a video online yesterday?
Yes, I watched some funny cat videos.
Do you enjoy taking English quizzes?
Yes, I find them fun and a good way to challenge myself.
Are you watching for someone?
No, I am not waiting for anyone.
Is the water too cold?
No, it's just the right temperature.
Have you read this book?
Yes, I have read it and it's fantastic.
Do you need any assistance?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
Can this wait until tomorrow?
Yes, it's not urgent.
Is the Wi-Fi free here?
Yes, the Wi-Fi free.
Have you seen my keys?
No, I haven't seen them.
Is it a long drive?
No, it's just about 15 minutes away.
Can you repeat that, please?
Of course, I'll repeat it for you.
Are you feeling cold?
No, I feel quite comfortable.